Hello and welcome back, everybody. Today I'm out here at the Austin Dam in northern Pennsylvania. This thing is absolutely massive. The video camera doesn't do it justice, but so this dam broke in 1911, resulting in the deaths of 78 people, totally wiped out the town of Austin. And it failed once again in 1943, but luckily that time, when the new dam failed, as far as I know, there's no loss of life. People were able to get out in time. But when this thing broke, it totally wiped out Austin and the Bayless paper mill, which is the main place of employment for this town. So I'm gonna take a look around. We're gonna go see if we can find the ruins of the old mill and the old townspeople's houses. If you like this sort of content, please like and subscribe, and thank you for joining me. Don't know if you guys can see how big this is, but this is one of the pieces where the water completely pushed through, shoved that huge slab of concrete way over to the side. You can see the gaping hole here. This piece of the dam is at least 40 feet tall. It's absolutely massive. All right, everybody. So we're on the trail looking for the old Bayless paper mill and also remnants of the old town of Austin. If I'm correct, we're going in the right direction, and it should be roughly a mile below the dam. So fingers crossed we can find this place. But it looks like there's actually, from what I researched, a lot of the old homes from Austin, they got washed away or partially washed away and abandoned. So let's see if we can find that. There's also a large tower back here that was associated with the paper mill. I'm hoping we can find that too. No promises on being able to get up in that thing, but I'll do my best. Let's see what we can find. Finally made it back to the paper mill. So now we're gonna go and check it out. Initially, the dam burst the first time because the company wanted to save money and make the dam thinner than it was supposed to be. So I guess the moral of the story is not to cut corners or go cheap on certain things. Wow, there's a basement level down there. Let's get a little light. Should have brought my bright light with me today. Wow. This place has seen better days. Let's see if there's another way up. Cut you guys off for a second. Check this place out. Made it to the second level. Oh, there's a roof too. This level's already a little shaky. I'll see how I feel in a minute about getting us some good views of the roof. A little sketchy in here. If you guys like this content, again, please like and subscribe. I have many, many cool trips planned. I'd love to have you all along with me. Woo! That got my heart racing. So head up to the roof, and the roof looks very sketchy. I'm not going to walk around on this, test my luck today, but give us a little peek around. The forest is actually regrowing on the roof of this old paper mill. Quite a ways up. I'm going to do my best to find that big old tower. I am running out of daylight, so I may have to skip that and come back for it. Whew. Good news, everyone. We found the huge tower. I'm really not sure what this thing was used for. This goes like 100 feet up in the air. Absolutely massive. If anybody knows what this was used for, please let me know down in the comments. I'm actually really curious. That ladder's seen better days. Don't think we'll be getting up there.
Together.
Wow, so they didn't have pipe and they put these little pieces together, a bunch of little bands to make pipes.
Yeah, they rolled it in an angle, yeah, and pop riveted it.
Wow.
That's a spillway.
Oh, this is so cool. So this is what they used from 1900 to 1910.
Yeah.
Before they got the big one up.
Stone, the whole thing was built with hand-cut stone. I still have the tools that they built this with.
Wow. Man, this is awesome. Hopefully there's no snakes back here, but...
No. I've been through every inch of this park. If there had been snakes, I'd have been bit already.
That makes me feel a little better about going through the brush. Wow, all hand cut too.
If you're shy about it, you stomp your feet and they'll leave. They'll feel that vibration.
So this is the old spillway here?
No, that's the spillway over there.
Oh,
this
back
is
behind us.
Part of the dam right there. Most of it got toppled over. You can see some pieces in the water when it's clear.
Wow.